Hey there, content managers. Let's talk about ChatGPT. Did you know that ChatGPT stands for Chat Grand Poobah Talking? Okay, I made that up. But you have to admit, it has a nice ring to it. All jokes aside, ChatGPT is a pretty impressive language model. It's like having a super smart personal assistant who can understand and respond to anything you say. I mean, have you seen some of the things ChatGPT can do? It can translate languages, write stories, and even provide customer support. It's like the Swiss Army knife of AI. Today, I am here to talk to you about a very interesting and amusing topic: how to make money with ChatGPT. Yes, you heard it right. You can actually make some bucks using our beloved AI-powered bot, and that too up to $150 per day. So, let's get started. First and foremost, let's understand what ChatGPT is all about. As you might already know, ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI based on the GPT 3.5 architecture. But today, we are going to focus on how you can make money with it. The first way to make money with ChatGPT is by using it for market research. Companies are always looking for feedback on their products and services, and what better way to get honest opinions than through a conversational bot like ChatGPT? You can offer your ChatGPT services to companies and charge a fee for conducting surveys and gathering customer feedback. One website that can help you get started with this is Respondent.io. It's a platform that connects companies with individuals for market research studies and pays well for your time and insights. Another way to make money with ChatGPT is by integrating it with e-commerce platforms. Chatbots have become increasingly popular in the e-commerce world as they can provide a personalized shopping experience for customers. You can offer your ChatGPT services to small e-commerce businesses and help them increase their sales. You can also integrate ChatGPT with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce to streamline the customer experience. Trust me, happy customers mean more sales, and more sales mean more money in your pocket. Moving on, if you have a talent for writing, you can use ChatGPT to create content for websites and blogs. You can offer your services to website owners and charge them for writing articles or blog posts. ChatGPT can assist you in researching and generating content ideas, making your job easier and more efficient. One website that can help you find writing gigs is Upwork. It's a freelancing platform where you can find clients looking for writers and get paid for your skills. Now, if you're an expert in a particular field, you can use ChatGPT to offer consulting services. For example, if you're a financial advisor, you can offer ChatGPT services to clients who need financial advice. You can charge a fee for your time and expertise and help people make informed decisions about their finances. One website that can help you find consulting gigs is Clarity.fm. It's a platform that connects experts with individuals who need their advice and pays them for their time. Lastly, if you have a knack for teaching, you can use ChatGPT to offer online tutoring services. You can offer your services to students who need help with their studies and charge a fee for your time. ChatGPT can assist you in creating lesson plans and providing personalized feedback to students. One website that can help you find tutoring gigs is Chegg. It's an online tutoring platform where you can sign up as a tutor and get paid for your services. Now, these are just a few ways on how to make money with ChatGPT, but the possibilities are endless. You can get creative and come up with your unique ways of using ChatGPT to make money. The key is to find a niche that you're passionate about and offer your services to people who need them. However, let me be real with you. Making money with ChatGPT requires time and effort. You won't start making $150 per day right away. It takes patience, persistence, and hard work to build your ChatGPT business. As a personal opinion, I think making money with ChatGPT is a great opportunity to leverage your skills and knowledge in a unique way. Let's get creative, let's put our skills to use, and let's make some cash with ChatGPT. What do you think about this topic? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next video.